Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install an application on your Panasonic W70 TV. To install an application, first make sure that your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi or to the internet in general. To do that, go to your device's settings, then open Network and Internet section and make sure that you are either connected to some Wi-Fi network or have the Ethernet connection type, so the local cable inserted into your TV. And after that, open the apps tab on your home screen and open the search field and input the app name that you want to download, or you can also search the featured applications available right here. So for example, let's select the Spotify application and let's download and install it on our TV. So just select it and select install and wait until this application is fully installed on your TV. And then you'll be able to open it with the open icon right here, or from your home screen, where it will appear at the very bottom or at the very end of your apps list. So if you go to your apps and navigate to the bottom of the list, to the end of the list, then you'll find your Spotify application, and from here you can open it anytime basically. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.